I asked my stepmom to be my new girlfriend, and this happened.
Hi, Wayne. How did you get my number?
Do not worry about that right now.
Does your dad know that you're calling me?
I don't think you'll have a problem.
But how did you get my number?
I got it through his phone.
Wayne, you cannot be going through your dad's phone without him knowing.
I am a grown man. How are you going to tell me what I can and cannot do?
But you can't be calling me late at night after hours like this.
Listen, can we talk about something though important?
What's wrong? Talk to me.
Alright, so listen, right? Hypothetically speaking, you're my stepmom, meaning that you're not my real mother, meaning that we're basically friends.
So what are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply that for me, when you come to the house for me, I like how you take care of me for me. I love that for you, and I think I'm catching feelings.
No, I take care of you like a stepson. I'm your stepmother. I cannot cross the line like that. I'm with your dad.
Right now, hold on, Ma. Right now, my dad has nothing to do with this.
Listen, your dad is not going to be okay with this. I don't even feel comfortable going behind his back speaking to you without speaking to him first.
Your name is Ashley, right?
Yes.
Now listen, Ashley, for me, like I just said, you gotta take risk in life for me.
I guess risk, I could do that. But I don't know. Like, your dad is so risky. It really is.
Do you actually love my dad?
I have love for him.
So you don't love him?
I wouldn't say love, but I have love for him, just like how I have love for you.
Okay, so let's take your love for me and take it an extra step.
Okay. So, how are we going to do this? Like, he can't know.
Obviously, I'm not gonna tell him. It's between me and you, for me. You just stop talking to him, stop texting. You could block his number too, for me.
He's going to show up, Wayne, at the house. There's no getting rid of your dad.
And there's no getting rid of me.
Okay, so how are we going to do this? Like, am I coming to your house? Are you just going to come to mine? Do you need me to pick you up? You go down the road and I just drive by? Like, how are we going to make this work?
So you're actually like 100% with this right now?
Yeah, if you are.
For real?
Yeah.
I was just joking though, but like, you serious?
If you're joking, I'm joking.
I'ma call you later.
You sure?
Yeah.